Ultra Squad. Shit, the Ultra man. Yeah, I know, man. Look, been gone a couple of days, man. I've been having some camera malfunctions, you know what I'm saying? But listen, we back though. I'm gonna do a couple of uploads, you know what I'm saying? Cause I've been slacking past couple of days, man. Listen, let me get right to this video, man. Look, Subway Olympics with BTS. Alright, tonight's show starring Jimmy Fallon. New to my channel, man. Sorry, guys, all type of different content, man, different backgrounds, different cultures, different genres. Let's get right to the video, man. Let's go.
Back to tonight's show, we're hanging out with BTS. Their new album, Map of the Soul 7, is out now. They're gonna do a giant performance at Grand Central later in the show. Right now, I want to challenge you guys to a little friendly competition. It's time for the Subway Olympics. Let's get it.
Subway Olympics. Okay.
Round 1. Protect the duck. Each player must balance a rubber
Hold
duck.
on. What they gonna be doing? Fighting? What they doing now? Hold on now. What they
On their
doing?
hand. Try to knock off the other player's duck without losing control of your own. Jimmy versus Jimin.
Why they gotta go first? Cause their names similar. Jimmy and Jimin. They gotta go first. That's crazy, man.
Go! Hey, my son.
Bruh, hold on now. Jimmy cheated. Jimmy cheated, man. He cheated, bruh. He went too fast, bruh. He didn't give Jimin a chance, bruh. Come on now. That ain't fair.
Jimmy wins. Jungkook versus Suga.
Jungkook versus Suga. Bruh, he playing too much. Dang, bruh. Sugar. I was rooting for you, man. I was rooting for you, Sugar. He ain't even, Jungkook didn't even move, bruh.
Jungkook wins. J-Hope.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with Jin. I'm gonna go.
How are you, Jim?
Bro, you slapped Jin in the face, and you still lost. He didn't even do anything.
Wins. RM versus V.
I'm gonna go with V. I'm gonna go with V. V on this one. See, he playing too much. See, doing too much playing. Hey man, let me find out, bruh.
V wins. Round 2. Dance your shades and gloves off. The first player to fling off their shades and gloves by furiously dancing wins the round. Jimmy versus Jungkook.
All right. Hey man. Bro, look, this is too easy, bro. This is a BTS member. You can't crazily outdance a BTS member, especially if you were a late night show host. Nah, come on, man. That was too easy. This is what they do.
Jin versus V.
I'm gonna go with Jin. Bro, look at this dude. Look at him.
Jin wins. Final round. Post-it challenge. Get as many post-its on your body as you can in 15 seconds.
Let me find out Jungkook. Let me find out Jin is some type of secret assassin, bruh. He too good at these games, man. Sum up. Let me find out now.
Versus Jungkook.
I'm gonna go with Jin. Wait a minute. I mean, this one don't really count. This one don't really count.
Who won? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, let's get it.
20.
I'm touching that one.
Jin got 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
About Jungkook.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
Oh,
17,
he got more than 20.
20, 24.
Jungkook wins.
24. Jungkook.
Stick around, everybody. When we come back, we're gonna get some authentic New York deli. Come on back.
Oh. That's it for that, man. That was crazy. I gotta start watching more. BTS type of athleticism, like game type stuff. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man. If you enjoyed that, you know what to do, man. Go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, go ahead and subscribe, bro. Help me out, man. Help me out. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to move out this box right here. You know what I'm saying? Help me out. Nah, just saying. But for real though, leave a comment, recommend a video, something that you want me to watch. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get right to it, man. I've been slacking a couple of days, bro. I'm sorry. Not that y'all probably cared, but you know what I'm saying. Hey, man, I'm out. Ultra Squad.